Well, he's freaked out of us, I think.
What is
Look
it?
at that hand! Whoa! Did you see it? Dude's got some claws.
He has a funny butt.
Don't, Dave. He will bite you. He bit the stick.
Oh. He has a little pig nose. It's so funny.
I want to flip him over.
Emma, keep
Careful.
going on me.
It's slipping from the bottom.
He's heavy.
Dave.
He's
He
heavy.
moves fast.
He's heavy.
Look at his paws.
Flip
Whatever
him
they
over.
are. They're bright pink and they're huge.
He looks like jelly.
He disappears.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. He's like, leave me alone. Yeah, no, we can't see you. We can see the earth moving unnaturally, but we can't see you.
It's the whole I can't see you, so you can't see me thing.
Right.
Oh, golly.
What? His butt is back here.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No. He's,
It's not like he's going to be turning around.
uh,
How do you know, Mom?
So he can defend himself. Whoop. Where's he?
don't poke him, you hurt him.
I'm trying to just find where he is.
Here. Oh, wait, is that him?
No, he's right here.
He dug down in there, didn't he?
There he is.
Where? Here?
Yep, right there.
He's still digging. No, where'd he go?
There he is. He's there. See the earth go up? He's holding really still. He's right here.
Oh, there
There
he
he
is.
is. Got him.
He doesn't like being in the sunlight.
He's got little tiny back feet, but his front are like big, huge paddles. They're like big squares.
Get him out again. I
Yeah.
want to see his paws. Aww.
We should put him in something so you can take him to the cool shade.
See those?
Whoa.
You're covering up his face.
Watch out. Run, Forrest, run!
Yeah, that's nice.
I see his paws. Oh, no, what are you doing? What?
Look at what? What are you worried about?
So
we can see him.
Just put him in here and then we can see him.
Leave this real quick. Hold this. Film.
David, use a long one.
Get out of the light.
He's in there.
There he is.
Easy, he's gonna fight you guys.
Watch your fingers.
Oh my goodness! That was crazy!
Trying to dig and there's nowhere to dig. Can we see him? What are you doing?
Well, what do you want to do?
See him.
See him.
Woo! He's like right by your finger, Dad.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, don't make too much noise. It's scary.
Wow, those are scary.
Oh my gosh!
He has one mission, and
Okay,
that is to get underground.
let's let him go. We terrorized him
He
enough.
realized he couldn't go under, and he's like, wait a minute. Moles are not stupid. I think we can conclude that.
That was one scary mole.